Excited to be here for you. We have Lucas on the controls. We have Pikachu ready. That means we can count it down, everyone. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we did the tire right. I don't know about much else. I don't think that was your fault. I think we have some bugs to work out of our system here. I'm gonna look at the time. I don't have high hopes. Let me just check here. 4 days. It was a lot of fun to watch.